Kids Central provides individual, family, and group therapy to children and adolescents, as well as psychological and educational assessments to families in need or families who do not, who are identified as at risk in some way. The children and adolescents we see at Kids Central are from at-risk backgrounds for the most part. What that means is they have been identified in some way, either economically or emotionally as disadvantaged. And what that means is those children might not have access to quality mental health services. We get referrals from the Department of Social Services, from area schools, area hospitals, area doctor's offices, and other mental health practices and community support programs. And the main reason why children and adolescents are identified to come to Kids Central is because they've been identified in the community as struggling in a certain area, and because of their economic hardships, they might not have access to care. And so what we pride ourselves at Kids Central is being able to treat those who might not have access to quality care. So typically, when a family is identified or a child's identified as having specific struggles that they like to work on in therapy or in testing, the first thing we do is set up a meeting with the clinician and the family and just get a good information about the background of the child, how long they've been struggling with the issue. We try to incorporate as many individuals who work with that family as possible, such as teachers, social workers, other community support program providers, other caregivers, foster parents, and things like that. And so we incorporate as many individuals as we can to get a well-rounded assessment of how the child is doing and how long the child's been struggling with that issue. After we meet with the family, we develop a treatment plan. And that treatment plan can involve a multitude of things. It can involve individual therapy, where the therapist meets primarily with the child once or twice a week to talk about whatever the issues are. It could be family therapy, in which the family meets once a week and talks about whatever's going on. It could be a mix of both. It could be referring the child to group therapy, or it can be providing psychological and educational assessments for children who are struggling to be successful in school, who've been traumatized in some way, or who just generally are having some emotional problem that's getting in the way of them being successful. So emotional or behavioral problem that's getting in the way of being successful. So the first step is meeting with the child and the family and trying to get a picture of what's going on and how we can best help them. Currently, Kids Central has 2 full-time therapists and 2 part-time therapists. And our demand is so great. We get calls every day, multiple calls a day, of families in need who would like to receive services. And unfortunately, we can't keep up with the demand based on our current staff. And so we're always looking to grow and change as that becomes financially feasible. Because our main goal here at Kids Central is just to be a real service to the community, because we know we have something really great here. Our clients report 70% improvements in behavior, academics, and emotional health. And so what we know about that is that's a much higher level than many private practicing clinicians report. And so what we know is we have a really good thing going on here, and we really want to grow and change and be able to provide that to as many people as we can. With the changes in the economy and more people in need, we see that the need is also greater in the community to serve more children and families. And so our goal is to always grow. Many children in the foster care system have been abused, neglected, or traumatized in some way. And just the process of entering foster care can be very traumatic for a child who is with their family one day and the next day they're not. And they're expected to still go to school and still achieve in a new household with individuals that they've never met before. So there's always a strong adjustment period for that child and that foster family. And it's also important to work together with the foster family and the biological family as the Department of Social Services works together with that family to try to reunify them. One thing that is great is that Kids Central is on the same campus as Kennedy Charter School and as the Elon Foster Care Program. So what is great is that we can all work together throughout the school day. We get families more involved in school. Foster families and biological families are able to meet together in our building. And so it just makes for a really great way to make sure there's well-rounded care. Last year, Kids Central was able to see over 250 children, adolescents, and families. And this year, although the year is almost halfway done, we know that those numbers will be much higher this year. So we know the need is there, and we know the need is there, and we know that there's so many families and children in need, and we know we have the services to offer. So we're just looking for that number to continue to increase. Current statistics show that 50% of children and youth in the child welfare system have mental health problems, and 75 to 80% of children and youth in need of mental health services do not receive them.